Welcome to the center of Europe, to the heart of Switzerland, to the remarkable Jungfrau region. Its legendary landmark, the majestic snow-clad trio of the Eiger, Mönch and Jungfrau. The JungfrauJoch, top of Europe in the UNESCO World Heritage in the Swiss Alps, is the crowning highlight of every visit to Switzerland. The first stage is with the Bernese Oberland Railway to Lauterbrunnen, and then by Wengenalp Railway to Wengen, where the legendary Lauberhorn ski races take place each winter. The journey then continues to Kleine Scheidegg. The last stage is with the Jungfrau Railway. First to the Eiger Gletscher or Eiger Glacier station, and then through the 7-kilometer tunnel in the rock to the Eiger Wand or Eiger Wall and Eismeer or Sea of Ice stations, both with incredible views of the mountain world. The journey on the JungfrauJoch, top of Europe, an impressive 3,454 meters above sea level. Numerous attractions await guests, including a 360-degree cinema in the Sphinx Hall and the Alpine Sensation Experience subway. Life in Switzerland is depicted in a giant snow globe, and a 90-meter-long mural portrays the development of tourism in the Alps. The ingenious founder of the Jungfrau Railway, Adolf Guyetzelle, is also presented. Historical photos are a reminder of the construction workers, and a memorial commemorates the names of all those who were killed in accidents. A bridge leads through the highest altitude karst cave in Europe. The magical ice palace lies deep in the eternal ice, 20 meters below the plateau, which offers stunning panoramic views. The 5 restaurants are noted for their wide range of cuisine. Snow Fun Top of Europe offers excitement and adventure in eternal snow and ice, from spring through to autumn. The views from the Sphinx Vantage Terrace are endless throughout the year. The nostalgic Eiger Ambassador Express adds a luxurious ambience to a special event. A new attraction is the scenic Jungfrau Eiger Walk from Eiger Gletscher to Kleine Scheidegg. The tour continues down to Grindelwald by Wengenalp Railway and then by Bernese Oberland Railway back to the departure point in Interlaken. The Harder Kulm is a fantastic excursion destination high above Interlaken. The new 2-lake footbridge affords fabulous panoramic views of the Jungfrau region. The trip up to Schieniger Platte by historic Cogwheel Railway amazes visitors with its matchless mountain world and the botanical alpine garden with over 600 species of plants native to the Swiss Alps. The mountain hotel has been enhanced by a new modern restaurant. First is reached from Grindelwald via Bort, the intermediate station where children will find their very own playground paradise. A downhill scooter bike ride will give the whole family a special kick. First delights nature lovers with over 100 kilometers of hiking trails through stunning scenery, for example to the mountain lake of Bachalbsee. Adventure addicts will get their adrenaline rush on the 800-meter-long First Flyer. Winteregg Murren, a trip to Grutschalp and then Winteregg, offers one of the most stunning views of the Eiger, Mönch and Jungfrau. JungfrauJoch, top of Europe, 365 days a year. The Swiss mountain experience in eternal snow and ice.